So let us deal about problem number 6. Shows the distance time graph of three objects A, B, C. Study the graph and answer the following questions. Let us come from 6 only because we stopped at 5. Now we are going to continue from 6. Okay, you have to see that and answer the questions. A, which of the three is traveling faster? Which is traveling faster? Okay, then followed by, you have to tell the answer. The simple curve is given. This is reasoning type 3 type of question. ये भी numerical में एक भाग ही है. This is you can't think that they are not a part of it. So I will show you. There are three curves given. One is distance time curve. In this one car is going. This is B. First this is B. Then there comes something called C. And there is something called A. Now, in these three curves, which one is traveling fastest? How can you say A is going faster? Shreya, what is your answer? What is Shreya's answer? What is Sharon's answer? I want all those. So now see here, there is one thing which you need to see, whether all are starting from the same starting point or not. No, here 0. This is starting at, this car is starting at 4. इधर दिया है 4 का बीच से शुरू हो रहा है, मतलब इसका मतलब क्या है? ये 2 है, 4 है, फिर 6 है, ठीक है? तो 4 will be somewhere here, 6, 8. Okay, it's going like this. And what is the time frame given here? 0.4, 0.8, 1.2 and 1.6. The velocity of a body is nothing but v equal to dx by dt. I told it now. So distance per rate of change of displacement, r dx by dt, change in distance with respect to time, dx by dt. X is distance or path. This is equal to, also in graphical representation I wrote that it is the slope of the curve. All I told. Slope of the xt curve gives velocity. Slope of the vt curve gives acceleration. We derived. Okay. The slope of the curve. Right. So whose slope is more? Slope is nothing but what? Tan theta. Already I told. Tan theta. Theta is the angle. As the angle increases, slope increases. Whose slope is more? It is having more velocity. Correct? Correct. So here in this case you can see whose slope is more? Whose theta is more? If this is B, this, किसका एंगल ज्यादा है? ए का ज्यादा एंगल है. व्हाट्स श्रेया? ए का ज्यादा एंगल है, बी का ज्यादा एंगल है, सी का ज्यादा एंगल. सी इज हैविंग मोर एंगल. श्योर? भाई angle, you don't know how to take the angle, measure the angle. This is angle theta 1, this is angle theta 2, this is angle theta 3. Which angle is more? Angle తీసుకోవడం చేత కదా మీకు? కాదు, ఇక్కడ లైన్ ఉంది కదా, అక్కడ నుంచి. Why you take angle from this line? You take angle like that. Is this the angle? ऐसे बोलते हैं एंगल या ऐसे बोलते हैं एंगल? दिमाग लगा, सिंपल. So which is having a more? Car B, then followed by car C, then followed by car A. So car B's velocity is more than car C velocity greater than car A. हो गया, यही आंसर है. You are thinking lot. Nothing else. This only the thing. Next B. Are all three ever at the same point on the road? All are in motion. What the question he is asking you? Listen. Are all three ever at the same point on the road? इसका मतलब ये है कि तीनों गाड़ी एक जगह मर्ज करते हैं या नहीं, एक ही डिस्टेंस पे आते हैं या नहीं. आते మూడు రావు, కనబట్లేదు కదా. నాట్ పాసిబుల్. ఆల్ ద త్రీ వోంట్ కమ్ టు సేమ్ పాయింట్. దే విల్ స్టాప్ ఎట్ different points. There is merging of car A and car C, but car B is never merging. So answer is no. How far has C traveled when B passes A? How far has C traveled? C car has traveled after B passes A. मतलब B pass A means this point. How far has C traveled? C traveled मतलब उसी टाइम में C कितना तक ट्रैवल किया. So you can see the curve. Open the curve, see the curve. When B crosses A, the point is in the curve. If you see between 0.8 to 1.2, how many blocks are there? Squares are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 squares are there, right? 5 squares are there, and B is crossing A at the square which is 1 less than 1.2. मतलब उसका क्या है वैल्यू? It will be 0.4 by 5, each 0.08. So 0.8 less than 1.2. You subtract it, you will get 1.12. At 1.12 seconds at that time, what is the position of car C? What is the position of car C? డిస్టెన్స్ చెప్పండి, ఎంత వరకు ఎక్కడ ఉంది? 8కి తక్కువ ఉంది. 8కి ఒకటి తక్కువ ఉంది. ఓకే, whatever. So at 1.12 seconds, B crosses A, and at that time C was at 8 kilometer interval. Okay, it is at 8 kilometer interval. Clear? So it is starting having a surge. C is starting 2 kilometers. So how much? So distance traveled equal to final minus initial. So final is 8 kilometer, initial is 2 kilometer, so it is traveled 6 km. Correct, no? Simple answers. I thought you would have done on your own. How far has B traveled by the time it passes C? What is that point? How far has B traveled when it pass by the time it passes C. C को जब क्रॉस किया तब B और C का डिस्टेंस पॉइंट कितना है? B is starting from origin, so its value is 8.5 km. So the point of B and C intersection is 8.5 km. So it's for B initial 0. So distance traveled equal to x final minus x initial, which is equal to 8.5 minus 0, which is 8.5 km. That's it. This point yaar. A na? Correct. Right. So this point we need. Good. Is which, what is the distance then? 4.5. It will become 4.5. Good. So I need that type of response. Very good. So it is on 4.5 km. So answer is 4.5 km. You can see at the back side the answer will be 4.5. Okay, let us go to the next problem. 7. Ball is gently dropped from a height of 20 meter. The ball is gently dropped from a height of 20 meter. If its velocity increases uniformly at a rate of 10 meter per second square, free fall, gravity, simple case of gravity, with what velocity will it strike the ground? After what time will it strike the ground? Two questions. Simple, very simple. This is actually a geometry bit. Not geometry, it's a gravitation question. The fact is, I will give questions. You will do questions from textbook. What I have taught also, I will again ask later, not now. I know how to make you learn all these things. Now my after my chemistry will be over ना, my task will be जो पढ़ा है उसी को अच्छे से पढ़ना फिर से. Initial, so it is free fall. Ball is, it is this the ball. It is at a height of h from the ground. So the gravity, acceleration due to gravity, g is always taken positive. I told already. G towards the earth it is taken positive plus g. Okay. Height is 20 meters. So u equal to 0 here and v equal to, we don't know, we have to find out that. What is the velocity with which it strikes the ground? So that is the first bit of us to find out. So you have to find v. V you have to find, then we have using first equation. We have v finding madam using first equation. So v equal to u plus at. Okay. We have distance also. So we can go for third equation. Third equation. V square minus u square equal to 2as. So v square equal to u square plus 2as. This was the thing which is that second bit in the examination. ऐसा दिया भूल गया. No, this is not an entity. U is 0. So it is 2 into a, acceleration 10 into 20. 400 v square, v equal to plus or minus 20. Root of 400 is 20, na? So 20 meter per second is the answer, with which it strikes the ground. Second, what is the time taken? Using first equation, already you have v equal to u plus at, t equal to v minus u by a. So v is already 20, vu is 0, by acceleration is 10, so it is striking the ground in 2 seconds. This is the answer of 7th question. Our 7th question is over. Next, the speed time graph of a car is shown. 8th problem I am doing. The curve is there, given, shown there. Okay, it is a parabolic curve. Parabolic curve. Parabolic curve means any curve which is following a random fashion. Okay, parabolic curve. You will learn about that in conic sections. Generatrix. जब उस श्रेय को पढ़ाता था तब तुम you should have learned, listened to that. That's generatrix. How the generatrix is cutting the cone. When the cone is cutting, some types of shapes are formed. Those types of shapes are called conic sections. In the conic sections, there are 4 conic sections. One is circle, ellipse, parabola, and hyperbola. All have their parametric equations. Okay, all have their focus. Focus means the point from where all the points on the curve are equidistant. Circle is a conic section. A simple circle is a conic section where all points are equidistant from the center, and the center becomes the focus. Then it becomes a circle. If the center is, if the focus is eccentric from the, eccentric means some distance from the center, then it becomes a focus. Okay, so there forms a ratio, L by R ratio. So dielectric equation, generatrix equation, normal equation, parametric form, sine form, angular form, trigonometric form, lot are there. Most important, all are important for your subject in the examinations, competitive examinations. 11th లో వస్తాయండి, 11th స్టార్టింగ్ లోనే వచ్చేస్తాయి. After you learn this 3-dimensional geometry, next year you will learn 3-dimensional geometry. In that one you will learn direction cosines and direction ratios, perpendicular surfaces and lines, its parametric form. Then you will understand what is the parametric form for conic sections. అయిపోయింది. So in this question, the A question is, find how far does the car travel in the first 4 seconds. How much it is traveling in first 4 seconds? You can see the direct plot and see it is 6 meters. That's the answer. And shade the area on the graph that represents the distance traveled by the car during the period. So what it is? So it is a VT curve. So you can't directly do it. Yes. So the time interval when it was 4 seconds, it was 6 here. Meter per second was the speed there. So initial is 0. So for the A bit, u equal to 0, v equal to 6 meter per second, time equal to 4 seconds. Can't you do this, solve this and get test? Distance traveled, area under this curve is nothing but, what is the area under that curve? Why can't you do it? Do ना, कर लो, करो. हाँ, फर्स्ट ये फाइंड आउट करना है. यही प्रॉब्लम होता है. v माइनस u बाई टी, हाँ v बाई टी 6/4 1.5 u 0 6 by 4. I'll write like this. That is my style. 4 3 12 meters. By seeing the figure also you can do half into base into height. Triangle. Let us assume this as a triangle. This is negligible area, मान लो. But that negligible area will also become important when we do integrations. You know, you go for calculus. वो मैं करके दिखाऊंगा ना, तुम तो जिंदगी भर फैन हो जाओगे. पर फैन for mathematics, applied mathematics, for applied mathematics. Base is 4. What is the height? Height is 6. See here. देखो उधर. Half 4 6 हो गया. Because area under VT curves gives area under VT curve gives distance. Very good. कोई भी करो, कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं, ये तो जनरल है, वो ग्राफिकल है. ऑप्शन इज योर्स. नेक्स्ट बी, यू हैव टू शेड दैट आल्सो. ओके, डू दैट. दैट इज बच्चों का पार्ट है. विच पार्ट ऑफ द ग्राफ रिप्रेजेंट्स यूनिफॉर्म मोशन ऑफ द कार? Which part of the graph from 6 seconds to 10 seconds it is uniform motion, because the velocity is not changing. So you can write that. From t equal to 6 seconds to 10 seconds it is constant. ऐसे मत लिखो, मैं बस this is for explanation. Write nicely in notes. Written, write the whole reason. You can name the points also. You can take this as 0. See here. O. You can take this as A. When it is becoming flat, it is B. When it is becoming this, it is C. So between BC, it is flat. You can write nicely. That is your way of approach. That teacher won't tell. Teacher tells the concept. Okay.